My name is Dean Force. I own Island Laser Design, located in St. Petersburg, Florida. At Island Laser Design, we have created a series of coastal maps that are geographically accurate and very detail-oriented toward more of a homeowner or something. It actually shows their residence on the map. So it's a very what we call large-scale set of maps along the Florida coast. These nautical charts, as many people call them, were designed to really showcase detailed locations. And we put stars or hearts right where someone's home is. So it's become a very local attraction, as well as people that visit or have a second home in the area tend to want to hang that back in Canada or wherever they're from to remind them of the place they missed so much here. If you look at some of the intricacies of our maps, you'll see that the detail has to be so minute and so still powerful enough to cut through quarter-inch wood that it's already sealed. So it's a difficult task to get that right without making firewood. The Boss Laser really came in good on the testing, and we did test with several other manufacturers. Our Beach Series lamps is an excellent example of using the creativity of your local area. As we were producing the maps, we realized that we don't see many beach type lamps, dolphins, things like that. So we designed a kind of an accent lamp, as we call them, type thing that the laser does really well for silhouetting. And then the details in our wood shop are pretty great too, as far as the precision we can acquire, or cut I should say, and then put back together. Lamps are very true of this, because if they leak, you'd see through the cuts. So it's another product line that we have that we feel is quite unique. When we were searching for a laser, we were looking very carefully at not just cost ratio, but also capabilities. The Boss Laser stood out among many, not only for price, but for design as well. One thing I can say about Boss Laser is the support has been extraordinary from pretty much every aspect. And what I mean by that is, if I have an idea that may help our business and I promote that with Boss, many times the response back is, we can look in that direction, or we can be engineering toward these ideas. And that's kind of unheard of when it comes to kind of a partnership with Boss. The improvements in quality have been amazing in each generation release. That quality has allowed us to use these in an industrial way. We cut sometimes 11, 12 hours per day. That means that machine's running all the time. Very significant factors for us, that its uptime is there. I don't think you can find a better laser for the dollar in what you get from the engineering, sales, and support that you get from Boss Laser. It's just a perfect sweet spot. It's professional. You can start a business. You can go into an industrial setting like we have here, and you can see it's a viable product, and that's what we've chosen with products that are considered moderate to high end.